My name is Rajneesh Kumar. I have completed MSc in chemistry. I've been teaching chemistry for last 16 years in Mumbai. I teach 11th and 12th standard students. I also teach those students who are preparing for entrance exams like JEE, CET, NEET, VIT, etc. I'll be making video lectures on all chemistry topics. I'm going to make video lectures for those students who are in 11th and 12th, and also for those students who are preparing for JEE, CET, and NEET. I'll be making video lectures on all the topics, but if you want me to make video lectures on a particular topic in advance, you can let me know so that I can make video lectures on that topics first, and later on I will continue my all the other topics. So if you like my channel, if you think that you can learn something from my channel, do subscribe my channel so that you can get latest videos, latest updates. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much.